Hey, welcome back to Lamb Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? This quick little video will be about using the FusionFirm liquid chrome. I got some pieces here I'm going to show you here in a minute, and we're going to spray those and have like a before and after here. So let's turn it around here and get started. I'm not sure what happened with my audio in this section, but we're reviewing the FusionFirm fluid silver and the liquid chrome here. We're going to spray the bumpers and trim pieces for the Nomad. I'm going to show them here. Kind of see the headers. We're going to get them sprayed. Again, I'm not sure what happened to the audio as I was recording, so kind of quiet here. Let's get to it. All right, so that may have took all of 5 minutes or less to get this ready to go and painted, and so let's kind of go over the results here. Let's turn it around again. I just sprayed these a minute ago. They're the headlight trim, or tail light trim, actually. This stuff's pretty nice. I'd say it is probably the same. I sprayed it using a 0.28 Swallowtail at like 12 psi. Wasn't too bad. Focus on some of this. I think it gives a more realistic look than plated, really. I'm not going to handle it for a couple days. It's probably dry now, but cut out the grill there. Use a little white glue to glue that in. I decided to go with chrome headers. Cars, the Nomad's got very few passes on it in its current condition. There was a wagon. Excuse me. It was a wagon. They was racing, and then they rolled it, wrecked it on the track. That's why it's got the top cut off of it and made up a little different. It's going to have some body work imperfections in it. We'll cover them later. With that, a quick little review of the FusionFirm liquid chrome. So far, so good. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.